Welcome back to PrognoCIS. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment on the appointment schedule screen. You can go to appointment and schedule. Your screen will come open. You can double click on the line. When you do that, the date and time, the provider and location will automatically default for you based on the schedule that you've selected and the time frame that you've selected. Now you're going to choose your patient. You're going to choose your encounter type. The duration will automatically default. And now you're going to choose the reason why they're coming in. So you're going to type that in there. If this is a transition of care, you can mark it as a transition of care. If you're double booking in the same time slot, you can click yes to double book. Anytime means that you're booking in a non-working hours. Over here on the right, you'll see case number. So if this patient was had an accident or injury and you wanted to select a case, you could select a case from there. Also, if there was a pre-authorization number already assigned, you can go ahead and select that and associate it to the visit, and the insurance would automatically default. So once your patient has been selected and on the schedule, you can hit schedule. And now your patient is scheduled. The second way to put a patient on the schedule is click this Add New button to add a new patient. When you're selecting the Add New button, the date that you're on will come up, the provider you're on, and the location. But the time is not there because you have not selected that time. So we're going to go ahead and add a time. We can add our patient. And then, as you'll note, the case management screen came up and there was a case available. So if we wanted to say that they were related to that case, we can check our encounter type. And then we can also put in the reason they're coming in. Again, if there's a transition of care or if you needed to overbook a time slot, you could do that. You have the anytime button and go ahead and hit schedule. Now, the third way to schedule a patient is to go, if you were on the encounter side and you don't see the schedule, but you could come up here to this take appointment button. When you're choosing the take appointment button, you have to put in the provider and the location. You're going to choose your patient. Now, if you're already on a patient, that patient is the one that's going to default, but I can select a different one. When I select a different one, again, I have the option of the case management to choose which case management comes up. And as you can see, the insurance changed to match that. The duration automatically defaults. And then I can say ankle pain, the reason they're coming in. Now, maybe because I don't have the schedule, I don't know what time is available. So I have this search button here. So I can click the search button and now I can say the provider and the location, the days of the week that the patient is available to come in, so Tuesday through Friday, and the time frame that the patient is able to come in. Okay, and then I can hit find. Once I do that, I can find appointment slots that are available. If these appointment slots are not agreeable to the patient, I can click find next. It'll give me 2 at a time until I find one that the patient is happy with. Then I just click on that date and time, say okay, and the patient will go on the schedule on that day and time. Thank you for watching and have a great day.